Filter type split AC unit, 12,000 BTU or thereabouts. I think that's what the nameplate says. So let's strip it and see what it has. I assume this motor here is actually probably just a straight AC motor. The one outside would have been DC and variable. I mean, one of the condenser. This is evaporator, just a blower, and a coil, and the controls. The inside, we have taken off the filters already. Those are horribly dusty. As you can see, this thing has not really been serviced. Again, this is the display, and I assume the control is there. If you look at it, that most likely is the receiver, and then some access to some electrical control there, or some terminal blocks where you could probably measure some stuff. What we have here is the control board, a sensor. Not sure what the sensor is for. That's definitely a thermocouple, most likely actually. Temperature sensor, but thermocouple. 12 volt motor that causes the swing of these blades. I'm not seeing very much controls elsewhere. On this side, just screw here, so I'll take that out and see if that helps disassemble this whole thing. A lot of use of styrofoam, so that's interesting. I guess that's the easiest way to insulate. Nothing too complex so far. We have not gotten to the motor, but let's continue. So I believe this goes back to the condenser. It's definitely a ground, live, neutral. Not sure what this one is. And then this looks like the power that's coming into the main unit, and I don't know where it's going yet, but we'll get to that soon. This is the control board. You can see the transformer here. Right, it's most likely switch mode, and then you can see a few relays. That looks like a relay. That's definitely a relay, and some basic electronics in there. We'll probably take a peep at that, probably not. And this is the motor there, so let's try to get that out. Don't know if I'm going for the blower yet, may or may not. 22 coils, well, linear runs across two different pieces. Interesting blower wheel, they're not aligned, so this one's aligned with that one. Actually, they're all like this one is aligned, so slightly off, so it keeps, I guess, it's sitting down that you have all points in time. We got rubber bushings on this side, rubber bushing holding the motor on this side. This whole thing should be able to come off. I just have to see what's holding this here. AC motor, and it shows how to connect. So 240 volts, and how much watts? 15 watts.